Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a tutorial on how to put end cards on your YouTube videos. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video. How to add end screen to YouTube videos using mobile phone. What is a YouTube end screen? An end screen, also referred to as an end card or end slate, is a YouTube feature that appears in the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. YouTubers can use their end screen to promote videos, playlists, merchandise, and external websites. Why is an end screen important? End screen on your YouTube videos can help you get more views, traffic, and subscribers from any video. Your end screen increases the odds that your viewer does what you want them to do, specifically watch more of your videos and subscribe. You can use your end screen to link to other videos and playlists. You can also include a sizable subscribe button on the video. Remember, end screen can be added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. You can use the end screen to promote other videos on your YouTube channel, encourage viewers to subscribe, and more. Please take note, end screens are not available for videos set as made for kids. Next, your video has to be at least 25 seconds long to have an end screen. Then, other interactive elements like card teasers and branding watermarks are suppressed during the end screen. The following are some of the best things to do in creating end screen. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you leave enough space and time at the end of the video for an end screen. Second, make sure you consider the video's last 20 seconds when editing it. Consider timing different end screen elements to show at different times. If you use a custom image, we recommend using an image that's at least 300 by 300 pixel width. The last but not the least, feature elements that are relevant to the videos. Here is the step-by-step tutorial on how to add an end screen on YouTube videos. Let's start! First, all we have to do is to go to Google Chrome, type m.youtube.com, and tap 3 dots and request desktop site. Second, we have to sign in to our YouTube account. Tap Profile Picture and select YouTube Studio, and open the Videos page. Third, select a video. From the left menu, select Editor and select Add an End Screen. Fourth, we have to choose elements, videos, playlists, subscribe, and etc. Customize end screens wherein you can adjust and set up the time. And if done, just click Save. On each element, you can select Most Recent Upload, wherein you can automatically feature the most recently uploaded video. Best for Viewer, wherein you can allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. Or you can personally choose a specific video, wherein you can select from your videos or from any video on YouTube. Now I am going to choose a specific video from my uploaded video. If we didn't see the video on the screen, we can type the title of the video on the search area. I already have a chosen video, so we can adjust it now. And we can set up the time as well. Now I am going to add an element, which is the subscribe. Automatically, your YouTube channel profile picture will appear. Now let's adjust. This is the way I wanted it to be. Then set up the time. I want to show this subscribe elements the same as with the video on the first specific video chosen. I want to add one more element, a video. Take note, end screen elements cannot overlap or be too close together on the video. Please adjust the element spacing. And again, I want to choose a specific video. And here I will show you we can set up the time by dragging the video on our desired time. Just tap, hold, and drag. This is the easiest way to set up time than manually putting the time. If done, click Save. Let's check it out. try, please tap or click end screen at the end of this video. We're done! Thank you for watching and God bless!